About recent update in the panel ARDL model in Stata. So if you want to avail the recent update, you have to write this code ss install XTPMG, which is the library name for PMG model, and then replace. So it will provide you the latest model, which has more features that I will explain in this video today. So when you install it, when you run it, it will replace your existing library if it's installed already in your Stata, and then provide you with the latest version. So today I will give you this preview. Installing this library, you need to run this command. So you can see what is included. PMGs. This part is in the library command is same as what we used to do earlier. So XTPMG, dependent variable with the difference, independent variable with differences, and L.Y and independent variables. We used to not select the lags previously. Here it has included as that it will use AIC method to select lags from 0 to 4, and then it will give you shorten table if the command has it. So I have not mentioned anything, so it means it is a PMG model. It will give you half-life also. It will give you impulse response values. It will give you full, means the country-wise coefficients, and it will provide you all the relevant graphs. So if you run it, let's see what does it give, and then we will discuss one by one. So let the graph load. So let's go up. I will explain you all the results one by one. So this was the command. Let me make a space here. So I told you that it uses AIC method, maximum 4 lags, DV, short-run DV, IVs, and long-run IVs. So it has checked for all the cross-sections using AIC and BIC methods. So using AIC, all lag 4 are better, except for cross-section 8 and 9. And then for BIC, it gave us multiple values. So what has happened is now it has selected 444 because the majority has selected 4 according to AIC method, because our command we said select from AIC. Okay. Let's go down. Now it will give you the long run results. It give you model lag order. So short run, 2 variables, both are significant. Long run, 4 lags with all the variables. Okay. And then if we go to the country-wise short run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 country short runs, and then it made a comparable table so that you can read the numbers quickly. It is same as this, but it's transposed. So what the problem here is that my screen was not wide enough. You make it wide enough and then run it again. It will show you in one table all the coefficient with stars in terms of if they are significant or not. And then there is half-life values for each error correction term. All of them are significant. Adjustment speeds are here, and then they are significant. And there's impulse response function, that how much remaining percentage is there. So you can notice that it is mostly adjusted after third or fourth time period. Okay, because our convergence coefficients were very big, especially for 8 and 10. Okay, and then it shows you all the plots. Let me show you the plots. You can see here, you can see the convergence coefficient for each cross section. The interpretation is here. Then second one is showing the half-life. Okay, the formula is here, how it is calculated. And then impulse response function. So you can notice that how does it converge. And then it shows you short run for each cross section because there are too many. So this graph is very small. So you can, how you can sort it, if you have a bigger screen, you can zoom it in or make it bigger so that you can see it. Otherwise, Other method is that this part is under development, and then future versions can help us fixing 4 to 5 in one sheet and then remaining in the other sheet, so that you can see. Usually these short-term coefficients are not that important to plot because they are already in suitable table format that you can see it here. So I really like this new update in PMG model, so that the issues, there were previously issues that it was not able to store coefficients so that you can compare across using PMG the Hausman test. So what it can do is now you can estimate the PMG, MG, or FE model, and then you can also compare using Hausman. So the problem where sometimes it was not able to compare, that problem is also solved. And the initial thing is that now the lag order is automatically selected rather than manually as compared to previous PMG model. Thank you for watching. Hope you will use it for your future analysis. Thank you.